Scooter gurus, I need your help. I bought this 49cc, no spark, not running of course, and I bought a few of them, fixed them and sold them, no problem, carburetor issues, etc. But this one's really got me stumped. No voltage coming out of the stator, so I went ahead and bought a new one, put it in, still nothing. And the way I tested it, it seemed like, here's the one I took out, the first new one, and seemed to have a short and it was grounding out. And of course you can't return them, so I had to buy another one. It's actually in the motor now, still got very little voltage out of it. And I went ahead and got a flywheel last week. Here is the one that came with it. I don't see nothing wrong with it, but I guess there could be. The nub's a little bit low, but the other one, the new one, is a lot higher than this one. But anyway, put a new flywheel on it. We set the gap from 10 to 15, all in that area. Doesn't change the voltage. I just need some help. I have no idea where to look from here, and as you can see, we're coming right out of the stator, and we got a new CDI box, but that didn't change anything even when I did hook it up complete. Even got a new coil, but seemed to be the stator's the problem. I can't seem to get anything out of it. If you have any ideas, I'll try to give it a whirl here and give you an idea what kind of voltage it is getting. That's all I'm getting out of it, and if I do connect the whole system through the coil, etc., that's all I'm getting out of the plug is 0.20, and not sure what to do. If you can help me, give me some idea, someplace to look, and I'd like to get it running so I can sell it. But anyway, appreciate the help if you can. Thank you.